Urutindo rwa Katerero rukoze rwa rumaziroho sente ziri kwingana miliyoni 9.5 kandi rubire ruhindukira abature nk'uko mbisi
ukata yibaterere hejemo ya deni impango konka nayo ubwingi bw'amizi bugicira kabiri nenda pani mu nkibiri konka engineer kareba ngo nemara ahabu utabanza kwibuza abatakabeshyuye
kandi urugudo ndubandu wambuka rukwato mu district agandi intasiane bane taha munongwa umukanso ya Katerera ntwangwirwa munito kaba boda boda
konka no barabe barukozere abatura berarikiriye ngo rwaso butahangara abo kugira ngo tubaratireho karuvate mpange ziri kutwara mizi
boko baninyishukaho nyuma ho hari ubw'imvura yabirenegwa shenyu ko kashanga abantu bambukira hambaho
konka chairman w'intebe ya kabiri nagira ngo abatura babanze basime government embu yo kwetombwita
abo kube nyuma kandi kiraga kuferwa abantu mito mu rutimbaha bagwamo yamwe abana bafire abamagare barengerayo konka nsima government age abo kutwora urutimbo rwitukurungi
ekitongoro cha Unrunning Uganda National Roads Authority kiri kujinanizwa n'ebyenguto mwanya guno kigira ngo ebaba engineer abakozire bikirire nahabwe cy'abatura bine kurinda urutindo.
We are trying our level best to make the road passable, and as you see it's now wider here than it is up there. It was too narrow that even a small car would pass whilst fearing that it might fall over.
Urutindo nurugita Katerera na district ya Kamwenge kandi uburukoze rw'ebina maskongu obuhereza nbwija kwangwa gasha kwa Chiru Ramadan.